Imagine wasting 4 agonizing hours every single week per client just to create reports that barely impress them. That was this client's reality until they made one strategic change. That change dropped those 4 hours down to just 30 minutes and catapulted them to 160% client growth. This is their transformation story. Every week, this growing agency spent 4 hours per client just building reports, manual updates, formatting chaos, changing colors, checking formulas, missing insights, all done in a simple Google Sheet that just could not be maintained and scalable. Like most teams, their reporting process revolved around spreadsheets, dozens of them, all over the place, not in one single file, in multiple folders, multiple copies. You get the picture, you've been there. Their weekly reports were built by manually pulling the data, manually pasting the data to the spreadsheet that they could find, which most of the time wasn't the right one, then copying them into static slides, formatting charts one by one, trying to make them look all presentable and branded within a time sensitive crunch. It worked, but just barely. And every new client made the system even weaker. Their biggest problems were it took hours, it was tedious, and most importantly, it didn't scale. But here's the twist. They didn't fix it with the new software. They fixed it with a smarter system. The first move, a single spreadsheet per client that was labeled the master. No more copying, pasting, no more anything. All data was loaded up to this single sheet. No more version control, no more headache, no more wait for which tab this is from. A single source of truth. This was done for every one of their clients and set up a template for future client onboarding. Next, we ditched the custom build for each client approach and set up a template for everybody to use. We used the data sheet as the master and made presentations that look on brand, polished, and consistent. The design didn't just look better, it made the value that they gave their clients seem easier to see and understand. What was built was a repeatable flow. Drop in fresh data, verify key metrics, deliver with confidence. Anyone on the team could follow it. No more reinventing the wheel each week. And yes, before delivery, every report passes a quick verification check to ensure data accuracy from two people, the back end and the account manager. With the busy work gone, they spent more time on strategic analysis, client conversion, and growth opportunities for their clients. Reporting stopped being maintenance and became momentum. This was done without getting new tools, no new BI tools, no expensive dashboards, none of that. Just the tools they were using, Google Sheets and Google Slides, and a smart design system. If you got a Gmail account, you got the toolbox. If reporting still feels like a grind to you and your team, and you're struggling to cut back on the hours of reporting or wish you could reporting system a lot faster, find out more details about this case and many others of projects I've done in the past, and maybe you'll find some ideas to spark interest. Or if you need help, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is in the link below.